Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to stop Facebook notifications in Gmail. Firstly, you need to go and launch the application and then just go on the three dots on your right upper side. Then scroll down and get to the settings privacy and go for the first side settings. Then what you need to do, just simply scroll down and go for preferences side and select the third selection, notifications. Then again you need to scroll down. As you can see, you have many options also right there, but you need to go on the last session where you receive notifications and choose the second one, email. Now here, as you can see, also you have many options, and what you need to do to get out from this sequence to stop these notifications in Gmail, simply go on other notifications, turn off this section, go for reminders. Now you need to turn off all of these sessions which will be related in this main part of the video. Now you need to get back and take a refresh to just follows up the new update that will which gonna stop Facebook notifications in Gmail. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.